Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing this colorful project and I'm going to use watercolor. First I'm going to spray water on the paper and then I'm going to use different colors on that. So this is a fun project and a very easy project. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on. That way you will not miss my videos. So I'm using different colors in this. You can see that I'm adding uh, three colors and then some water. Now I'm adding in another color. I'm going to dry this before I go for the next step. Now I'm using this stencil and I'm using the pistachio color of distress oxide. It's called cracked pistachio. Then I'm going to now dry again everything. So this stamp, I found this in baby book. This is like a silicone and it's very easy to clean and easy to use as a stamp. It is not very expensive. It's you can find this in children's section. They have different designs in this, so it's a nice one to use it as a stamp. So now I'm using text stamp. I'm not putting it too dark. And it's going to be very subtle. I'm using this stamp which has circles and it's like a some kind of a postal stamp. So I'm using those different sizes in different places. Now this flowers are going to be my focal point. So I'm going to add some more circle stamps and texture stamps. You can use any grungy stamps in this, but I'm using like a round circle stamps and postal stamps. So this is also from the baby book. It has like a small round kind of a circle uh, texture. So this is like a perfect for stamping. And I'm going to use this white paint, and I'm going to splatter it on the top. Now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm using this neo color and just darkening in certain areas. It makes it a little bit bright. Then I'm adding little more in different place and um, blending it with water. Then I'm going to adhere this focal point. Then I'm using this cute ladybug sticker, and it gives a nice red color. And then now I'm going to use the stickles to give little bit of shine on the flowers. So I'm going to put the coat and finish this project. Hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching my videos and taking some time. I will see you again. Thanks. Bye.